how's it going? I'm going to show you what we're trying to achieve. We have I believe, 3rd generation Hutch. This is my wife's grandma's. And, well, as you can see, it doesn't really go with the white. So, what we're going to do is, you guys don't know, I have another side of me that, other than the gym, I'm going to restore this and give it a color. And hopefully, it turns out good. It's going to be like an off-white. Stand by, let me get the paint. Okay, so we're back. Some of the tools you're going to need: scissors, chalk paint brushes, possibly some sandpaper or sanding block. With chalk paint, you don't really have to sand. So we're going to do this chalk paint white. It's like an off-white. I don't know if you can really see the color. And then on the inside, it's going to be this chalk paint green. Yeah, right there. So this should be interesting, trying to get around those things. But anyway, hope y'all like it. This is my before, and I'm going to show you guys my after. Stay tuned. Okay guys, back at the Hutch. Hey, here's part 2. So just prep it, make sure that you get a damp rag, dust it all off first, remove all the hardware and the drawers. So can't stress that enough. But like now, I put tape around the edges of the window just because I didn't want it to look too cheap and dirty. You do what you want. I've had my experience with tape before. It's not the funnest. You still get spots, but nothing that like a little scraper or a little nail polish remover can't remove. You do get some on the windows. Not that serious. I have to go down in these crevices here, so I didn't want to spike the windows. So check it out. Next phase, I'm gonna finish my coffee and then start painting. Cool. Chalk painting is so easy. I mean, you can have your 11-year-old do it. Okay. Look at that. We're almost halfway done.
Hi.
Carry on. All right. Okay, we'll be back. All right, there you go, guys. Freaking just did a whole revamp on this Hutch. Only took me since, I don't know, 10 o'clock this morning. It's now pretty dirty. Little time consuming, but I wanted it to look right, I think it turned out quite well. There's only 2 coats of the chalk paint on it. And I even hit some chalk paint that we saw on sale. So we tried this green out, which looks pretty good. It's neutral, nothing tacky. So hey, when you guys are bored, slap some chalk paint on it. All right, well, see y'all.